It was a hazy, lazy summer Friday on Wall Street as investors took a well-needed rest after the first full week of earnings. The Dow ended the day lower, but the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq both edged higher. The stock of the day, no doubt, Netflix. Shares of the streaming media company tumbled 7%. Some Wall Street analysts cut their ratings on the stock or lowered price targets after Netflix gave third-quarter new subscriber numbers that were viewed as disappointing. As Mercadian Asset Management's Ken Kamen points out, the Netflix news capped off a week in which investors backed away from high-flying tech stocks.
We're starting to get a little bit of a questioning in these stay-at-home tech stocks, as we're seeing with Netflix. I mean, they said that they're not as great as people had thought as far as their new subscribers going, but they're still doing very well. We're just seeing excuses to take a pause here. So I don't know if I'd read too much into it, but I still stick with the themes that you have to buy quality, buy strong balance sheets, because momentum markets have a way of turning on you and you can get stampeded by the herd.
Airline stocks were weak Friday on fear a rebound in air travel will take longer to gain altitude as more states scale back their reopening plans. American Airlines was also in the news as it introduced contactless check-in at more than 230 airports. American was the biggest loser of the group, down more than 4%. Mixed economic news to bring the week to a close. Home construction projects saw their biggest jump in nearly 4 years, but health fears pushed consumer sentiment lower in mid-July.